The Keychron K2, is an exceptional upgrade to its predecessor, offering a perfect blend of gaming and productivity features. With the addition of Hall effect magnetic switches, this keyboard has become a top choice for gamers and professionals alike. The magnetic switches provide an impressive range of gaming functionalities, including rapid trigger and last key prioritization, which are essential for fast-paced FPS games. The multiple actuation points further enhance the gaming experience, allowing for precise and responsive keystrokes. Despite its gaming-centric features, the K2 hasn't forgotten its productivity roots. It maintains the sleek and professional design that Keychron is known for, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any workspace. The full RGB illumination adds a touch of customization and visual appeal, making it a stunning addition to your desk setup. One of the standout features of the K2 is its ability to cater to both competitive gaming and productivity tasks. The magnetic switches offer a smooth and tactile typing experience, making it a joy to use for long hours of work or play. The limited switch choices are a minor drawback, but with the promise of more options in the future, this keyboard is an excellent investment for those seeking a versatile and high-performance peripheral. In summary, the Keychron K2 is a remarkable keyboard that excels in both gaming and productivity. Its magnetic switches provide an immersive gaming experience, while its overall design and performance make it an ideal choice for professionals. With its stunning looks and reliable functionality, the K2 is a keyboard that truly stands out in the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.